Hello everyone. Today I am gonna to discuss about a new topic will be based on a rational number. So let us understand what is a rational number. We are going to discuss here rational number. What is rational number is the matter. That what is the rational number? See here. देखते हैं rational number क्या होता है. So we can write the definition of rational number. हम लोग definition लिखेंगे rational number. A number we can write number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q does not equal to 0. So we have example. For example, -3/7, 6/2, 5/3 are the examples of a rational number. So हम ये कह सकते हैं कि rational number होता क्या है. सी देखिए definition, number which can be written in the form of p by q, मतलब p by q के फॉर्म में हम लिख सकते हैं. एंड जहाँ पे p एंड q क्या रहेगा, इंटीजर्स रहेगा. इंटीजर्स मीन्स इट कैन बी इंटीजर्स. हम समझते हैं इंटीजर्स क्या होता है. इंटीजर्स can be a positive integers or the negative integers. Suppose I'm gonna to take an example, and -3 or +2 or 6 -6 are the integers, so it can be written in the form of, while taking these two, ये सब जितने जितने इंटीजर्स हैं इनको लेके हम लोग क्या बनाते हैं, रेशनल नंबर बनाते हैं. सो अब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे अनदर टॉपिक, दैट इज़ रेशनल नंबर के. रेशनल नंबर, पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर एंड नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर क्या होते हैं. अब रेशनल नंबर टू टाइप्स के होंगे, पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर और द नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर. सो हम लोग इसको बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट, पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर. What is the positive rational number? So we can write, for example, I have written -3/-7, -2/-5, or 6/7, or 3/5. So it is the example of rational number. A number, so we can write the definition of a rational number. The rational number we can write, हम लिख सकते हैं definition. A rational number is said to be positive rational number if the both numerator or denominator are positive और नेगेटिव. तो हम देख सकते हैं व्हाट इज़ द पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर. पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर क्या होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल हमने देखा, अ रेशनल नंबर इज सेड टू बी अ पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर इफ द बोथ न्यूमरेटर और द डिनोमिनेटर आर पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. सो वी कैन राइट हियर दैट बोथ न्यूमरेटर, इट मीन्स न्यूमरेटर यहाँ पे कितना है, 3 -3 -7. अगर माइनस माइनस से कैंसिल हो तो पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे भी देखेंगे -2 एंड -5, तो ये भी क्या रेशनल नंबर है. यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव एंड देयर इज अ पॉजिटिव, वी डोंट राइट अ पॉजिटिव साइन. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज आल्सो पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर. सो अब हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स क्या हो, नेगेटिव रेशनल नंबर. नेगेटिव रेशनल negative rational number. So a rational number number is said to be a negative rational number if one of numerator or denominator are negative sign or have negative sign. So we can see here that a rational number is said to be a negative rational number if one of the numerator or denominator are have a negative sign. We can, for example, I can write here, for example, हम देख सकते एग्जाम्पल -3/7 3/-2 और 2/-3 are the example of negative rational number. Now अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे दैट स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म रेशनल नंबर. I can erase it now. Standard form of a rational number. A number is said to be in standard form if P and Q have 1 as their denominator and having a positive SCF and having a positive denominator. So we have, for example, we can write here, for example, we can consider that the SCF should be 1, so we can write here -13/17 and -13/21. So we are looking here that both numerator and denominator having a rather than they have a only SCF 1. We can see here 13 and 17 it can be reduced only by a 1, that is why its SCF is a 1. So हम लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे SCF 13 और 17 का 1 है, इसीलिए इसे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में रेशनल नंबर बोलेंगे. अब हम एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं कि रेशनल नंबर का एग्जांपल लेते हैं और डिस्कस करेंगे इसके बारे में कि क्या रेशनल नंबर स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म कैसे बनाए जाते हैं. So here we have examples of standard form, how to change this rational number into a standard form. So we have to take the HCF of both numbers. So we have 60 and 80. We can consider here that the SCF of the both numerator and denominator. We can write here the SCF of numerator 60 minus 60 and denominator 80. So we have 20, denominator 80 is a 20. So we finally divide numerator and denominator by 20 to get standard form of a rational number. So we can see here that -60/80 सो द HCF इज़ 20। यहाँ पे हमारा जो हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर है वो कितना है 20, तो हम इसे डिवाइड करेंगे न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर से दोनों में, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा 20 डिवाइड करेंगे -60 तो कितना आएगा -3 अपन कितना आएगा 4। सो वी कैन सी हियर दैट यहाँ पे -3 and 4 has a HCF 1, so it is a in standard form. Here is the positive, denominator is a positive, so it is in standard form. So minus, we can write here -3/4 is in standard form. So it is for example rational number. So now we will discuss another next topic, that is the comparison of a rational number. Now we have another topic in a rational number, that is the comparison of a rational number. So we will discuss about by the comparison of a rational number. Comparison of rational number. Here is two method for comparing a rational number. First, by cross multiplication. Second, by like terms. By liking terms. So we can write here by making like terms. So first we will discuss about the by cross multiplication method. The first one is by cross multiplication method. So let's discuss. So now first method, that is the by cross multiplication method. The comparison of rational number by cross. First is a by cross multiplication method. First, so for example, we can consider an example that we can see here, let -5 by 14. For example, we can write here, for example, that कैसे हम चेंज करेंगे by cross multiplication method. So we have, for example, 5 and -3/17. So we can write the cross multiplication now. 5/14, we can write -3/17. So cross multiplication like this. So now we have that -5/14 and cross minus, we can write 17 minus is 85, -85. So we can write 17 multiply -5 is equal to -85, and comma that 14 multiply -3 is equal to -42. So we can say -42 is greater than -85. So we can write here 14 multiply -3 is greater than 17 multiply -5. So we can write here -3/17 is greater than -5/14. Okay, we can see these examples once again because it is cutting from the video. So we will see once again the examples of this question. So we can write -5/14. There is a -3/17. By cross multiplication, we can write here 17 multiply -5 is equal to -85, and 14 multiply -3 is equal to -42. So conclusion is here that -42 we can write, so -42 is greater than -85, because when the number is in when number is written in the negative form, negative sign, then the number which is less number, that will be greater if it has a negative sign. So we have -42 is greater than -85. So we can write the original rational number for this particular rational number. So we can write -42 is got 14 multiply -3 is equal to for this fraction, the rational number is a minus 3 upon 17 is greater than, and for this is 17 multiplied by 5 upon 14. So this is the answer. Now we are going to discuss another method, that is by making a like terms. Second method, by making like terms. First step, that for examples we can see here. By the examples we will understand. By examples, minus 7 upon 15 and 11 upon minus 20. First of all, we have to see that the denominator of these given rational numbers should be in standard form. So where you can write 11 upon minus 20. So we can write multiply minus 1 to change into standard form. Should be a positive denominator, so minus 11 upon minus plus and 21 multiply 21 is equal to 20. So now it is in standard form, so we can write minus 7 upon 15 and minus 11 upon 20. Now we have to find out by making a like terms. Now we have, it is written minus 7 upon 15 and 11 upon 20. So it was 11 upon minus 20, which was in a negative rational number. So we have made here a standard rational number. So we can write here. So now we have to take, first step is that taking LCM of both the rational number, both denominator of both rational number. So we have 15, 20. We can take the LCM of 15 and 20 by making a, we can take the example. So LCM, we have the LCM of 15 and 20 is equal to, so we have to find out. So we can see here that the LCM of 15 and 20, we can see here is a 60. Now we have the first fraction, a first rational number, that is a minus 7 upon 15. So we have to just make it equal to the LCM of this denominator by multiplying a 4, and in the numerator we have to multiply with the same number. So we got minus 28 upon 60 is the common LCM. So, and we can write minus 11 upon 20. Now what number should be multiplied in a 20 denominator to get a 60? That is a 3. So in the numerator we have to multiply. So we got a rational number minus 33 upon 60. So what are you looking here? The second step, third step is that, third step we have to follow here, that now we have to comparison of the numerator, because you're looking here that the denominator are equal, so we can compare here. So minus 28 is greater than minus 33, so we can write that 7 minus 7 upon 15 is greater than minus 7 upon 15 is greater than minus 11 upon 20, and this is the comparison by making a like terms. So this is the end of the rational number. So we'll just proceed next topics in a rational number in the next video.